Right then, good evening and welcome everyone. Tonight I'll show you how to change an indicator stalk in, this is a Suzuki Wagon R, but you'll probably find that most of the Vauxhalls, small Vauxhalls like Agila or probably Zafiro, have a very similar arrangement. There's always an indicator stalk, also selector for the headlights. The problem is with ours, the full beam either applies itself or doesn't come on at all, and because it's a large headlight setup, which means same bulb is used for both of your beams, all it takes is that functioning properly to stop from working or remain full beam and blind over drivers. So that needs changing. That's a new one we've purchased. It wasn't that expensive. And so we took the screw out from underneath the panel, under the steering wheel. Then there are 6 clips, 3 on either side. That needs to come undone, and we're in. Now there's a little grey locking slider that holds it in place. Looks like that. Then there's a plug itself and a control unit. Control unit's got 2 clips, one on top, one underneath. Press them together and it should slide out. And there we go. Now plug has a clip on either end. One on that side, one on this side. That's it, it's out. That's our old one, that's our new one. New one should just plug straight in place and clip in. Let's have a look. Should all the alignments in there. Don't want to bend any connectors. Click, another click, that's what I like. Now, slide in place, make sure it goes in the rails. Just want to go straight in, so what I should do, plug it when it's in, since I know the plug fits. Set in the rail, locate it. That's click, and that's click. We like that sound. Now the plug. Click, click, double click. Locating pin goes just like so. Key. Start it up. Now, headlights, main beam, flash, full beam on, indicator left, indicator right. We're happy, it's all working. It's easy as that. Now, since we know it's working, that's all locked in place, that's all locked in place, and it's just a case of reattaching everything back together. Get the cover, slide the rubber gaiters for the wiper stalk back into place, Same for indicator stalk. Nice and straight. There we go. Bottom casing goes on. Okay, the ignition barrel, slide over it, align it, find the clips, one side, other side, gator's in place, and that's in place, it's nice and tight, screwdriver, back in. There we go. That's all it is. As simple as that. And headlights working again. Right, thank you very much, and I shall see you shortly with more problems, because there is a few around here.